I know how I feel the moment I land there or we drive down to Himachal. So it's, for me, that's beyond just nostalgia. For me, that's me. And I can never stop being myself. I can never stop being that Yami who was there. जहाँ पे एक छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ खुशी देती है, which is something as small as I still remember जब पहली बारिश होती थी और as kids we used to get a chance to dance in the rain on the terrace. There's just that excitement and that freedom and that you're just being there in the moment, or something which your nani has cooked to welcome you for your summer vacations, or my school friends, or experiencing all the seasons. I think that was that everything is, I may just, I have a very short weird memory. I may just forget, okay, where I've kept my phone, but I remember very, very clearly a lot of memories associated with my childhood.
Yeah. What's your favorite memory?
I think summer vacations. Summer vacation, going to a nani's house, me, my siblings, we would, and those bus trips, abhi to, you don't have to think much, ek flight liya aur kahin bhi pahunch gaye. So back in the day, I also remember my mom shuffling 2 buses sometimes, and I have no idea. Today, aaj hamare paas helpers hain, you know, we have so many facilities, but how they would manage everything, I don't know. But visiting Nani, I think that would be the peak of excitement and something we'd look forward to months before कि वो May का time आने वाला है या June का, that means going there. और जब थोड़े और बड़े हुए चंडीगढ़ में, you know, you're realizing, okay, now we can step out a little bit, and we would money इकट्ठा करते थे. You know, we would save money in piggy bank, and जिसका भी birthday होता था, we were allowed to go to that one, we would collect money, and we would head out to this one place, and that outing would mean a lot. Or some family gatherings, some family weddings, especially in Himachal, जहाँ पर आज of course we have this concept of hotel bookings and all of that, but वहाँ पे सब एक ही कमरे में हैं, या जो भी सब घर में ही शादी हो रही है, जहाँ पर mattresses लग रहे हैं, सब एक साथ, you know, बातें करते करते you fall asleep, or you know, the idea of that desi wedding at home where you have desi halwa is also coming, even the mithai is getting made, cooked at home. So everything is still so fresh, and whenever I look at those pictures, the feel of those, you know, those hard copies,
which no longer exist because you have everything on your phone.
Exactly, and I really want to do this as a family, where we have those photo albums where you can flip and you can see and think about, okay, this is what this day was all about.
Yeah, that's so beautiful.